Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Begin by opening Pinterest app. Tap on Create button at the bottom on your screen. Select the pin option. Then select the video that you want to upload. And then tap Next at the top right corner of your screen. You can edit the video if you want. Then tap Next at the top right corner of your screen. You can add title, description, and link. Then tap Create at the bottom right corner of your screen. And this is how you can upload video on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.